Hi guys, now I'm gonna show this Praktica LLC camera. This is the front. It's a m42 mount. The top, the bottom. So I put a batch here. I forgot to put the cover. Okay. Okay. The top, the bottom, one side, the other side, and this is the back. Alright, so there's a light meter for this camera. I don't know why there's like two modes. I'm not sure what this mode is, but when I put this mode, then it works nicely. So you can see like the meter, it works. Let's say like I tune 104. You can see there is a O exposed. If I put it 1000 shutter speed, yeah, it goes up a bit. Anyways, you can see that it moves so it works at least. So yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. So the meter, it works. How accurate, I'm not sure, but all right. Let's see. Okay. So now we're gonna do the shutter test. Okay. 500 shutter speed. Okay. 250 shutter speed. Okay. 125. Okay. 60. Okay. 30. Okay. 15. Okay. 108. Okay. Quarter. Okay. Half. Okay. 1 second. Okay. Bulb mode. So bulb mode works. Okay. Alright. So camera is fully functional. If you like this camera, you can let me know. I can sell it to you. And if you find this video helpful, you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for dropping by. See you guys next time. Bye. God bless.